Hey everyone. Okay, this is my twice as sharp scissor sharpening system. Okay, I bought this and offer up for guess what? It's cheap. 15 bucks. Yeah, $15. This is more than $350 in Amazon. This is an older version, I believe. Less than 10 years old, I think. Yeah, looks new, brand new. Still shining. Okay. Alright, this is adjustable. And this is all this where you clamp your scissor right here, and of course this is removable. Just this machine and this clamp. I tried today. I tried to Okay, this is model standard. Okay, that's the serial number. It says ball bearing motor made in Taiwan. It's at 100% American made. Yeah, but it's quiet. All right, it works like brand new. Made by Wolff Industries from South Carolina. Okay, we're gonna try to turn it on. And here we go. It works like a charm. See? Very quiet, really. Alright, it's working. It's working like brand new. Yeah, the owner says only use it for less than 10 times. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.